God may have made all plants, but that doesn't mean I want every one in my yard. Poison ivy would be one example. Nandina, also called heavenly bamboo, is another example. Plants in the bamboo family are invasive spreaders and just not a good idea to put in your yard. This mature Nandina has been successfully contained by the house, the driveway, and the sidewalk. But that still doesn't mean I want it in my yard when the house comes down. So let's get cutting. I've got it cut down, but it's still going to grow back because it has underground rhizomes. I'm going to have to be vigilant to cut off the new growth and starve it of its photosynthesis. I prefer organic gardening techniques whenever possible. I think we're supposed to be good stewards of the land that God gave us, and poisoning the land and our family doesn't seem like a good idea to me. Along those lines, I'm going to assist the technique with a little extra help and pour boiling water on the stems. The boiling water helps to weaken the plant, eventually killing it along with cutting off the foliage. So I'll keep you posted on the progress as this project continues. Be sure to check back for future episodes. See you next time.